Hi, I'm Hasita, a Hotel Operation Manager from Park Royal Naypyidaw. We just completed the very attractive, energetic training program organized by Jonathan. Actually, this was combined by three properties, our Park Royal Yangon, Park Royal Naypyidaw, and the new property upcoming Pan Pacific Yangon. So training was the first day. Basically was for the creating and winning sales performance team. This focus for the leadership level, department heads. That is very enjoyable and educated for all the department heads how they can contribute from their side to the sales performance. That's also very important in the hotel. It's not only the sales department, but all other leadership also can contribute a lot. But those education and training is very important. So through this training program, a lot of our leaders, they receive the enough knowledge and what they have to do and how they can support to the main sales performance on their level. So that is the first day training. And next 2 days we went through hospitality sales service mastery program. That was the most interesting part. All our sales and revenue related leaders, supervisors, managers was there. Especially this training was very special for us, the previous program, because the involving interaction of the participants was in a very high level, and a lot of training tools used by Jonathan was very attractive. The people very energetic to involve, to learn the things. And especially before we go for any theoretical thing, we always go through the some teamwork, some practical for them to understand. That is very appreciated by a lot of participants. I think the way of presenting is the main thing here. From beginning to the end, all the participant was very motivated and they are eager to learn. And I think in this way we can give a lot of knowledge to them. We learn about how to know by ourselves and how to knowing our customer, and then how to you drive the sales strategy depend on the different segmentation. This is actually I like to appreciate this training program that Jonathan has done in a very different way that most of our participants has appreciated. Thank you very much.